Is your car using more fuel than usual? Is the check engine light suddenly on? Or maybe your engine isn't running as smoothly as it used to. If so, a failing oxygen sensor, also known as an O2 sensor, could be the hidden culprit. This small sensor plays a huge role in your engine's performance, fuel economy, and emissions. Ignoring a bad O2 sensor can lead to poor fuel mileage, rough driving, and even expensive catalytic converter damage. In today's video, we'll cover 5 common signs of a bad O2 sensor, explain why they happen, and show you a few quick fixes that could save you time and money. Let's get started. 1. Check engine light comes on. One of the first and most common signs of a bad O2 sensor is an illuminated check engine light. Your vehicle's computer constantly monitors the oxygen sensor's readings. When the sensor starts sending inaccurate data or stops working altogether, the engine control module detects the problem and stores a trouble code. Common O2 sensor-related codes include P0130, P0135, P0141, P0150, and P0161. Keep in mind that the check engine light alone doesn't automatically mean the O2 sensor is bad. That's why scanning the vehicle with an OBD2 scanner is always the first step. Quick fix. Use an OBD2 scanner to read diagnostic trouble codes. Inspect the sensor connector and wiring for damage or corrosion. Clear the codes after repairs and test drive the vehicle. 2. Poor fuel economy. Have you noticed you're filling up your gas tank more often? A faulty O2 sensor can send incorrect information to the engine computer, causing the air-fuel mixture to become too rich. In other words, the engine injects more fuel than necessary. As a result, fuel consumption increases significantly. Even a single failing oxygen sensor can reduce fuel economy by up to 20% in some vehicles. Quick fix. Inspect and clean the sensor connector. Check for exhaust leaks near the sensor. Replace the sensor if fuel economy doesn't improve. 3. Rough idle or engine misfires. Another common symptom is rough idling. If the O2 sensor sends incorrect readings, the engine computer may struggle to maintain the correct air-fuel ratio. This can cause the engine to idle unevenly, shake its stoplights, hesitate during acceleration, or even misfire. Many drivers initially suspect spark plugs or ignition coils, but sometimes the real issue is a faulty oxygen sensor. Quick fix. Inspect for vacuum leaks. Check spark plugs and ignition components. Test the O2 sensor using a scan tool or multimeter. Replace the sensor if readings are erratic. 4. Failed emissions test or strong exhaust smell. A bad oxygen sensor often causes excessive emissions. Since the engine computer relies on O2 sensor data to maintain proper fuel mixture, incorrect readings may cause the engine to run rich. This can increase harmful emissions and may cause your vehicle to fail an emissions inspection. You may also notice a strong fuel smell coming from the exhaust. Ignoring this problem for too long can eventually damage the catalytic converter, which is much more expensive to replace. Quick fix. Check for black smoke or fuel odor from the exhaust. Inspect exhaust pipes for leaks. Replace the faulty O2 sensor as soon as possible. 5. Poor acceleration and loss of power. Finally, a failing O2 sensor can reduce engine performance. Because the engine computer is receiving inaccurate information, it may not deliver the proper amount of fuel during acceleration. Drivers often experience sluggish acceleration, hesitation, or reduced power, especially during highway driving. In severe cases, the vehicle may even enter limp mode to protect the engine. Quick fix. Scan the vehicle for trouble codes. Check O2 sensor live data using a scan tool. Replace the sensor if response time is slow or readings are stuck. To recap, the 5 common signs of a bad O2 sensor are: check engine light, poor fuel economy, rough idle or misfires, failed emissions test or fuel smell, poor acceleration and loss of power. If you notice one or more of these symptoms, don't ignore them. Replacing a faulty oxygen sensor early can restore fuel economy, improve performance, and prevent costly repairs down the road.